This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So as you can see, this actually has pretty good speed. Today we're taking a look at the VEVOR motorized scooter. So as you can see, everything here, this all came assembled. So the tires, the wheels, the brake system, that's all assembled. We just need to put the battery and the seat on and test it out and go from there. But overall, I like it. So these are the controls. You have your slow and fast, you have your lights, you have your horn and all that stuff. So you have your key you put in here as well. There's the lights on the front, brackets. You have your lock and your unlock right on here. You have wheelie bars on the back here, which help protect if it leans back too far. So the seat tilts forward and both arm rests turn, so you can step in from either side, and everything is nice and foldable. On the back here, you have a pocket for stuff. When you want to drive it, make sure the lever is on D, and when you want to manually push it, make sure it's on the N. So as you can see, this actually has pretty good speed. It's pretty quick. And as you can see, it turns pretty sharp as well. Yeah, this is actually, it's very portable, very fast. And yeah, for the quick testing, I see no complaints or anything at all. You have your battery level gauge up here as well. And you can again adjust this to go even slower. So if you don't want to go so fast, just adjust your speed. When you're done, pull your key out and you lose your power. Put your key in. Always try and make sure your headlights aren't on when you're done, or you know, if you don't need them on in the daytime. Overall, very nice. Very, very nice.